Appearing before the three judges of Court of Appeal, one of the appellants, Ssemugooma, informed court that he was uncomfortable with one of the justices. Through his lawyer, William Were, Ssemugooma said that Justice Catherine Bamgemelire chaired the UNRA Commission of Inquiry into the mismanagement, abuse of office and corrupt practices, asking the judge to step aside.
I don't think I actually investigated this particular matter at the commission, but they have a worry that if I sit on this appeal, I might prejudice appellant number one. And counsel, that's a problem we have. We are a quorum. We are like triplets here, and so are your clients. So how do we separate those issues? Once they raise an issue and they're uncomfortable, it's not fair for us to insist that we should sit in, unless there was ability to form another quorum, which I think at this point is a bit late.
Counsel to Ssenkeeto, Peter Mulira, had intentions of proceeding with the hearing given the fact that his client is a resident of the United States of America, wishing to join his family for festivity.
You are not consulted? No. Is that possible?
In the ruling, the justices referred the case file back to the registrar for the immediate reconstitution of another panel to handle the matter.
Before the registrar, and also the registrar can refer to the duty judge so that your issues are looked into. So you can do that out of here.
They advised Apollo Ssenkeeto to formally apply for the release of his passport to enable him travel. Ssenkeeto and Ssemugooma were jointly charged with former Works Minister Engineer Abraham Byandala, who was acquitted. In another development, Luzira missing prisoner Magala Lawrence has been produced before the Court of Appeal to challenge the 25-year jail sentence that was handed to him by the High Court in 2012 for the murder of his employer. This follows an order by a panel of 3 judges of the Court of Appeal, Elizabeth Musoke, Catherine Bamgemelire and Stephen Mosota, directing Luzira prison authorities to produce Magala.
The state in her submission, she's saying that the judge was correct to give the appellant 25 years as to serve in prison. However, on our side, we are saying the 25 years, given the circumstances, were too harsh to a person of his age, because at the time of commission of this offense was only 18 years, and the time of sentencing was 20 years. And now this is a person from police up to court on the day of trial in 2012. He pleaded guilty. That means he showed the remorse of his actions.
Magala Lawrence appealed via video link and the justices had his appeal. Magala Lawrence, then 18 years, was a shamba boy to Kalemera Nuwa, whom he killed on 20th December 2010 at Sisa village in Wakiso district using a panga, buried his body in a cassava plantation and stole all his property. Sudat Kaye, UBC News.